Good morning. You're Derek Corbin,
Yes, ma'am.
and will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
He does.
And I'm also going to take judicial notice of the court's file. I know there was, back in January, an examination for competency. Mr. Corbin was found competent to stand trial. We've already gone through all of that. Anything changed with regard to competency?
No, Judge. Not that I'm aware of.
Right. Then Mr. Corbin, in cause number 25 DCCR 1659, you're charged with the second-degree felony offense of robbery, and that's from October 25th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you did what they charged you with?
Yes.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Lewis?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection, Judge.
It's admitted. All right, Mr. Corbin, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of that plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of robbery. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 6 years in the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I handed you the trial court certification. That shows that this was an agreement that I followed, and so you waived your right to appeal. I also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. If you have any questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Lewis. All right. Good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff. Good morning, sir. You're Hayden Burkhalter.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 26 DCCR 0324, and Mr. Burkhalter was previously in court and entered a plea of guilty to aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. I've received that pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Have, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor, I have.
Any additions or corrections?
No.
Not from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing finished.
All right, Mr. Burkhalter, at this time, I'm going to find that you previously entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney, defer all proceedings, and place you on probation for 10 years. You are ordered to pay the $500 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation, including entering and successfully completing the cognitive track of the ISF program. If you do everything that you're supposed to on this probation, this is an excellent opportunity because you will not have a felony conviction on your record. And at the end of the probation, if you successfully complete it, the case is actually dismissed. You'll never have that conviction. The other side of that, however, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court. You could be found guilty of the offense and sent to prison for anywhere in the range of punishment, which is between 2 years and up to 20 years. Do you understand? I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. As soon as the probation will talk to you probably today, but as soon as you're released from ISF, first thing you do, go to probation, get everything started, okay? Good luck to you, sir. You go back to the bailiff.